Sakubona mfundi, places are called izindawo ngesiNdebele. So the first one we have is indlu. But if you are saying at the house or in the house, endlini. For example, ngiya endlini. I'm going home. I'm going to the house. Angithi. Then idolobho is town. In town, you say edolobheni. Angithi. Ngivela edolobheni. I'm coming from town. Okay. Umsebenzi is work. But if you are saying I'm at work, ngisemsebenzini. So at work, emsebenzini. Angithi. Then the shops are called izitolo. At the shops, ezitolo. Angithi. A hospital, isibhedlela. At the hospital, esibhedlela. Angithi, asikhulume.